Most electric cars do not have gears in the traditional sense. Instead of a manual or automatic transmission, electric vehicles use a single-speed transmission, which is a type of transmission that only has one gear ratio. This is because electric motors can deliver their maximum torque, rotational force, from 0 RPM, unlike combustion engines that need to build up RPM to reach their peak torque. The lack of gears in electric cars is due to the way electric motors generate torque, which is the rotational force that drives the wheels of a vehicle. Unlike internal combustion engines, which create torque over a wide range of engine speeds, electric motors generate maximum torque almost immediately when they are started. Electric cars do not need gears to change the motor's torque output, as it can be adjusted electronically using the accelerator pedal. However, some electric cars do use a form of gear reduction to increase the overall torque output of the motor. It is typically done using a gearbox or a set of planetary gears, which are used to multiply the motor's torque output. However, some electric cars, especially higher performance models, may feature a multi-speed gearbox or have selectable drive modes that simulate gear changes to optimize performance or efficiency at different speeds. These gearboxes are often simpler and more compact than those found in traditional cars, as they are designed to work in conjunction with the electric motor's characteristics. Overall, the absence of gears or the presence of a simplified transmission is one of the factors contributing to the smooth and seamless driving experience of electric vehicles.